Hi everyone. Well, just got a brand new shipment here for Racing Champion cars. Actually for 1965 Ford Galaxies 500 XL, which I'm going to unbox for you just right now. Those cars are beautiful. I've always loved Galaxies, and 1965 to 67 are my favorites. Those are nice, really. The Racing Champions mint. Well, let's open them. Just got them open with the scissors. I'm just gonna unpack them and unbox them. Just gonna throw away. That's a little box with a car. More plastic. And let's see what we have here. Collect them all 6. Let's see. That's 55 Chevy Bolero, 65 Galaxie, which is this one, 66 Nova, 71 Plymouth GTX, 1984 Bronco, and 1964 Chevy Impala. I want to have them all. They're nice, really. Let's see if I can find them. Let's move on to the other one. More plastic. More junk. Let's see. The car. Let's see what we have. Same cars. Good. Next one. It's a red one. It's a beautiful color. Set them in here. Same old. Yeah, same cars. And the other one. Last but not least. That's looks like maroon with a black top. It's beautiful. Just can't wait to unbox them. Same cars. That's it. Just get all this crap out of the table so I can unbox those cars. Maroon with a black top, red, gold, and sort of purple. I'm not quite sure what color it is. Start by this one. The good thing about this Racing Champions mint is some of these cars have this carton box, this cardboard box with a display. You can just save and keep the cars inside so they are protected. That's beautiful. That's a sort of a dark blue. Very nice lines. Bumpers of plastic. Very well done. Set the focus. Yes. Galaxie 500. I said they were XL, but they're set to be 500 only. No, anyway, I like them all. Wheels, just like the original ones in a real car. Opening hood. Nice Ford V8. Looks like it's missing something. I don't know. Maybe the air filter, but it can be made. Super nice car, or nice interior. Let's see this one. Put the box here in the back. really doesn't make any difference whether you exchange boxes. If you swap them, it doesn't make a difference. They are the same box. They really can say what kind of color it is, since they are all variations of the same car. It's beautiful. Goat. It's really a nice car. Bingo. I knew something was missing. It's not a difficult part to make. Maybe I'm going to show you in another video when I make this air filter and this stick in the engine compartment. It's a pretty nice bottom. It's all die-cast metal. Let's see this one. This box is a little pain to open. Yeah, there we go. Still grab one. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. That's a beautiful car. That's a nice color. I'm not always keen on red cars, but Ford Galaxie is beautiful on about any color. Ain't it nice? Look. Let's see the engine. It's good. It's all complete. Racing Champions actually does a good job. I've shown some videos on some different Racing Champion cars I have, and they're good in details. The only thing I don't like about some Racing Champions cars are the mirrors that sometimes tend to be a little bit out of proportion. It's beautiful. It's maroon. $65 for a Galaxie. 500. See how color shines? It's actually seems to be between maroon and purple. Goes very well with the black top. I like those hardtop versions. Oops, see? It's complete. Well, here they are. All 4 of them. The only sad thing is the missing part, the engine of this first car, but I can make one of them. It's not difficult really, since I can customize some cars myself. Well, that's the end of it. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to leave your like, leave your comments, and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video.